स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू S2S क्लासेस। आज हम 10th क्लास अर्थमेटिक प्रोग्रेसेशन में आगे कर रहे हैं सिलेबस। ये आज इसका लास्ट है इस चैप्टर 5 का NCERT बुक से। इसमें हमने 12 लेक्चर्स डिलीवर्ड हो गए हैं और ये 13th लेक्चर है। इस 13th लेक्चर में ये चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो जाएगा। आज ओनली ए लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, एक्सरसाइज 5.3 NCERT बुक, क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, लास्ट क्वेश्चन। एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू डू द इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑन दिस चैप्टर 5। ओके, नाउ वी हैव टू डू क्वेश्चन 20 that from NCERT book, exercise 5.3. Now what is 20 question? Question number 20 is, in a potato race a bucket is placed at a starting point, okay, which is 5 meter away from the first potato, 5 meter away from the first potato. In the starting point bucket is placed, and the other potatoes continuously all are placed 3 meter apart in a straight line. In a straight line, यानी first potato at 5 meter distance from the bucket, but second, third, fourth and up to 10th every potato 3 meter apart to each other in a straight line. Okay, so runner race is there, potato race. The runner will run to take the first potato. To take the first potato, how much distance will cover to kept in the bucket? Okay, so runner will start from the starting point 5 meter and then take first potato and come back 5 meter. Then 10 meter total distance will be covered from the runner to pick up the first potato and kept in the bucket. And he go and back, go and back, go and fro. Okay, understood? So 10 meter, double of that. After that, that runner start again to take the second potato, and second potato is at the distance from the bucket 5 meter plus 3 meter 8 meter, and then take that potato, pick up the potato and come back 8 meter again. So 8 to the 16, double of that. So double distance will be covered to pick up the potato and kept in the bucket, because bucket is at the starting point. Okay, go and fro, so that's why double distance. So solution. So in that 10 potatoes, in 10 potatoes how much distance will be covered? Okay, asking that in this question, okay, same way until all the potatoes are in the bucket, what is the total distance covered by the competitor? Okay, we have to find. Clear? So now this question, according to question I explained to you. So first potato distance covered, so we have to say distance covered by the runner, covered by the runner, such that first potato 2 into 5, second potato 5 plus 3 8, 2 into 5 plus 3 8, third potato 5 प्लस 3 तो 2 इंटू 5 प्लस 3 ओके दिस एंड सो ऑन 10 टर्म ओके कितनी टर्म है 10 टर्म क्लियर now so as of 10 total distance we have to find so here a is here 10 d is here 5 plus 3 8 8 to the 16 minus 10 is equal to 6 you can check third term minus second term 5 plus 3 8 8 plus 3 11 11 to the 22 minus 16 22 minus 16 6 clear 22 minus 16 also 6 ठीक है clear this a3 minus a2 also same so common difference d so it is ap it is ap it is ap it is ap this implies it is ap so s10 is equal to 10 by 2 2a plus n minus 1 10 minus 1 9d this okay now required this total distance and is sum of all these term फर्स्ट पोटैटो के लिए डिस्टेंस सेकंड के लिए इतना डिस्टेंस कवर करनी पड़ेगी टू कीप द ऑल पोटैटोज इन द बकेट तो सम ऑफ ऑल दीज टर्म तो S10 इज इक्वल टू 10 by 2 5 simplify okay 2 into a is your 10 a is your 10 2 into 10 20 plus 9 into d is 6 so 9 into 6 okay so we have to simplify this clear then it will come this implies S10 is equal 5 into 9 6 ja 54 plus 20 74 so 5 into 74 is equal multiply 5 4 ja 20 2 carry 5 7 ja 35 to 37 this meter so required this implies required distance covered by the competitor is equal to 370 meter answer okay clear this okay now like this we can do easy to do now all questions of this chapter 5 are completed now this was the last question of the last exercise now I will tell you some important questions hello now important questions on this chapter okay for the point of view of exam this one question check whether the list of numbers formed AP root 2 root 8 root 18 root 32 we have to check so how can check find the common difference so now solution root A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. Second term root 8 minus first term root 2. Root 8 means minus root 2. What will come? Root 2. Simplify first. We can't subtract, we can't add root 8 and root 2. We can't subtract. Understand? Because these are not like. In the root 2, it must be root 2. Then only coefficient of the same we can add and subtract. So simplify root 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 3 factors, 2 2's. Then from the 2 2's, take 1 out, square root, then 2 root 2. So 2 root 2, this implies 2 root 2 minus root 2, then equal to 1 root 2. Now we can subtract. These are like 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, then 1 root 2. This will be okay. Now A3 minus A2. A3 is root 18 minus root 8. This implies, now root 18 again factors, 3 3 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, so 3 root 2. So this is 3 root 2. Root 18 means 3 root 2 minus root 8, now only 2 root 2, now told, then 2 root 2, then equal 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2, then root 2. Okay, so D is equal to root 2, same everywhere, same everywhere. Hence it is AP. Done. Clear? So like this question, be careful in the root to simplify, okay, to find the D. This is important due to that case student doing mistake root 8 minus root 2 writing root 6. That is wrong. We can't subtract. These are not like term, root 8, root 2. Okay? So that's why. Now question number 2. Yes, now same. Next question. Hello. This is the question. Now important question 1. Second question. Find the 7th term from the end for the AP 7, 12, 17, 22 and so on. Last term 127. This is AP given. So in this from the end 7th term. How can find? Important question. So we may do one special formula from the end. Last term we are saying L. Last term what we are saying? AN. और AN को क्या कहते हैं? L. Last term. Okay. Here L is equal to 127. Okay, last term. Understand? And from the last, yani it is first term from the end. It is as A in the formula. ठीक है? तो L7 we have to find. So then D from the end. D from the end will be opposite sign of the D which is from the starting. So what is from the starting? D. 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7. 5. So from starting 5 to here minus 5. This is the important point to understand that D will be the opposite sign of the from which is from starting. starting 12 minus 7 5. So from and D second last minus 127, that's why it will be negative. So now take formula same, okay, using from the last L7 A7 ना लिखकर L7, तो L7 मीन्स L प्लस n minus 1 7 minus 1 6 D. This from the end we are finding from end or last term. Okay, this formula we have to use. ठीक है, तो L7 from the last 7 term, from the end 7 term will be L is 127 plus 6 into D will be opposite sign what is from the beginning. From beginning 12 minus 7 5, so from end minus 5. It is from end. Okay, it is from end. So from end is minus 5. Then it will be 127 minus 6 5 the 30. Then L7 from last 7 term will be 27 minus 30. 7 minus 0 7, 12 minus 3 9. ठीक है, क्लियर? तो then 97. तो required term is equal to 97. Required term, value of required term. ठीक है, done. तो like this question important, you can do easily. Clear? Okay, like this important questions. Yes, now this next question 3, same important question on this chapter. Question 3 is this. Question 3, if sum of first n terms of an AP is n square minus 2n, means this is Sn given of an AP, then find common difference D and 15th term of this AP. How can find? This is given solution given here Sn. What is Sn? N square minus 2n. N square minus 2n. Sum of n term. Okay? Now, if n is 1, the sum of one term means that is S1 means same as A1 means A first term. Okay, S1 is equal to A. So you put here if n is equal to 1, तो क्या आएगा? S1 will be n is 1, 1 square 1 minus 2 into 1. Then what will come? 1 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, clear? तो S1, this implies S1 is equal to first term is equal to minus 1. Clear this point? Okay, now if n is equal to 2, if n is equal to 2 means n2 means Sn means S2, then 2 square 4 minus 2 2 4, then it will be equal to 0. S2 is equal to 0. Now if n is equal to 3, then this implies S3 is equal to, put 3, n is equal to 3 put here. So n3, 3 square 9 minus 2 into 3 6, then implies S3 is equal to 9 minus 6, 3. So this is S3. So we know one formula कि A2 is equal to, so A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. Understand? A2, second term, sum of two term minus first term, sum of two term S2 माइनस फर्स्ट टर्म कर दिया, देन A2 आ जाएगा सेकंड टर्म. तो स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला, व्हाट इज स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला? आई टोल्ड कि इफ़ यू फाइंड ए के, इफ़ एनी के टर्म यू वांट टू फाइंड, दैट विल बी एस के माइनस एस के माइनस 1, वन लेस. के इज एनी पॉजिटिव इंटीजर, ओके, और k is any natural number, counting of term. So any, if you want to find the term, then sum of that k minus sum of 1 less than k minus 1. And here A2, S2 minus S1. If A3 you want, then S3 minus S2. Clear this? Okay. Then S2 minus S1. S2 we know, S2 we have 0 minus S1. S1 we have minus 1. So minus minus 1, then plus 1, then equal to 1. Okay. Now S3 is equal to 3 minus S2. S2 is equal to 0. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. This is your A3. So A, first term, second term and third term. So now you can find D, common difference D, term you got. Okay. So now common difference. So common difference. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 is, second term is 1. Okay beta, minus A1. A1 first term is minus 1. So 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 1, then it is 2. So common difference you can check D, A3 minus A2 also. This implies A3 is your 3 minus A2 is 1 minus 1, then 3 minus 1 is 2. Same, it means common difference D we got here 2. Okay, clear? So D is equal to 2. This implies D is equal to 2. Answer. Now one more point, asking 15th term. 15th term means A15 also. So A15 is equal to A plus 15 minus 1, n minus 1, yani 14 D. Okay, this implies, put the value of A and D. A you have minus 1 plus 14 into D. So 14 into 2. Okay, D is 2. Then simplify. So minus 1 plus 14 to the 28. Then 28 minus 1, then 27 is the answer, that 15th term. So 15th term value is equal to 27. Answer. Clear? So like this we can do. easy question and important question. Okay, now you take interest, watch, like, share and subscribe the channel to get the next notification. and अपने पास जितने भी कॉन्टैक्ट है सभी को वीडियो शेयर करें और उनको ज़रूर भेजें। जितने भी कॉन्टैक्ट है कोई ना कोई उनका रिलेटिव है, कोई भी किसी को बेनिफिट होगा, तो किसी की हेल्प से किसी का बेनिफिट हो रहा है तो देन इट इज़ वेरी गुड। आई थिंक it must be there, it is the noble work you must do. Okay, like, share and subscribe the channel and guide to the others also, and comment box में comment ज़रूर लिखें वीडियो के बारे में कैसी वीडियो लगी। ओके, थैंक यू।